Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A34, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. Now to get started, you want to navigate into your settings. From here, scroll all the way down to General Management, and scroll down again to Reset, Factory Data Reset. This will bring up a list of things that process removes. So if you have anything from this list that you'd like to keep, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise it will be, deleted, and this cannot be undone. Now there are certain things that you don't need to worry all too much about. And just to name a couple of these things. So as an example, applications, you shouldn't really worry about those, because if all your applications are from a, let's call it a legitimate source like Google Play Store, then you can obviously re-download them. Same as Google accounts, as you can see, they're listed as the first thing. It doesn't remove Google accounts, it just signs them out of the device. So everything that is not being stored locally on this device, it's not really getting deleted. It's primarily just being signed out or just removed in some portions, but it can most of the time regain basically all of it. The things that do matter will be the user data, pictures, photos, videos, music, documents, and anything along these lines. Anything that you have basically put in on the device yourself. So, like I said, just downloaded documents that usually don't come from sources that can be, accessed by everyone. Anyway, with this being said, we can just scroll down, select reset. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock, it will most likely force you to put it in, but I didn't have any kind of screen lock. Additionally, I'm also, I think, aware that it also asks us to sign out of the Samsung account if you're logged into it, but as you can see, if you're not, it just kind of decides to go through it without ever telling you to sign out of it. Otherwise, you need to put in the screen lock and the account. Now, this process will take just about a minute or so to finish up, so just let it run through, and once it's finished, we'll be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. Now I'll also add one more information, which I probably should have started with. By resetting your device, for instance through recovery mode, usually the device becomes locked, meaning if you're logged into your Samsung account and you have a screen lock, it will lock the device. Also Google account does the same thing, but at the time of recording this, there is no way of bypassing this, as usually, there is. So I would typically make a video on how you can remove this kind of a lock, because it will prevent you from finishing up the setup if you don't know either one of these methods, the screen lock or the account. And yeah, like I mentioned, I would just be usually making a video on removal without actually providing any info. But at the time of recording it, with the new patch for these Samsungs, there is no method that I know of that works. So just want to mention that. But anyway, this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.